And the best you bird, good luck, 5411 dice roll. We go 8 times. Letters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. P up top. C at the bottom. 8 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Chester up top. Ronald at the bottom. Let's sort them out. And there's your letters. The best you bird. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Grab some more card sleeves. Already running low. We're flying through breaks. Getting best you. Good luck, good luck. Josh says he needs some Angel Reese. Good luck to you, Josh. Good luck, everybody. Best you, bird. Hey, there she is. Angel Reese on the refractor. Right on the top for the A spot. On to Josh Michaels. There you go, Josh. Another nice one. We got gold of A.J. Hoggard going to the A spot. And Josh Michaels as well. 31 out of 50. A.J. Hoggard for the A spot. Prince Aligby, yellow, 58 out of 75, P spot. And Chester Green. Another A spot here. Andrei Stojakovic, 2 out of 150 on the blue. Josh Michaels having a break. Namari Burnett, 30 out of 99 for the in spot. And Josh Michaels again. He's Percy in the box. Namari to 99. Freddie Deloney, 37 out of 100 for the F spot. Tom Shepard. Freddie Deloney to 100. Xavier Booker, gold auto, 25 out of 50 for the X spot. And Tyler Clapper. Tyler Clapper on the auto to 50. Milan Momcilovic, 95 out of 125 for the M spot. And Tom Shepard. There you go, Tom. Momcilovic to 125. Nice one here for the A spot. Got Armando Bacot gold buckets auto, 37 out of 50. Armando Bacot to 50. Armando Bacot. 37 out of 50 on the ink, going to Josh. On the Bacot, on card. Last card of the break, gold, 46 out of 50. Trayvon Brazil going to Ben Twining in the T spot. Do a quick recap. Trayvon Brazil to 50. Armando Bacot to 50. Milan to 125. Xavier Booker to 50. Deloney to 100. Namari to 99, Andre to 150, Prince to 75, AJ to 50, and Angel Reese on the refractor. The best you bird in the books. It's the break, everybody. Thanks for the fill.